close enough for something else now.
Did you say she's smoking?
All right.
Oh my God! I smell teal. It was like teal or something.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh my God! I'm gonna throw up. Oh my God! It went out my nose. That was so good.
It came back out.
I
just did.
I looked pieces running down my nose. And then when I left, I was like, oh.
It was just spit.